Hi guys, welcome to How to Library. Today I'm going to show you how to hide your location on Bigo Live. So right now, as you can see, I'm like on my Bigo Live profile. How you get here is on the bottom of the screen, you can see about 5 icons. A home icon, an explore icon, a little camera icon, a community icon, and a me icon. So we're going to click on the bottom right corner icon, that is the me icon, and that will take you to where I am right now. Once we're here, in the top right corner, there's 2 icons. So we're going to click on the left one with the little settings icon. We're going to click on that. And once we get here, as you can see, we have a lot of options. We're going to click on privacy one. And you're going to click hide location. Yours is going to flip the switch, and that's about it. It's taking a little time, but that's all you have to do. See? Done. Thank you for watching. Do click the like button if this video helped you and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Bye guys.